making toasted dessert bread canapes. For making the dessert bread canapes, you'll need toasted bread cut into different shapes. Now I've chosen circles. Some chocolate syrup, some yogurt, and then we need some different cereals. Now over here I have some muesli and Fruit Loops. You can use fresh fruits too. Okay, now we'll start making the canapes. I've spread the yogurt over here. Now, then you can also put the topping of your choice. Now this first canapé, I'm putting some of these cute little Fruit Loops. You can just alternate the toppings or something. Look, our first canapé is ready, just like that. Just like that, our cute bread canapes are ready.